Have you ever seen the Milky Way? The stars seem so close together that they blend into a milky white glow. We are in the suburbs of our galaxy, a tiny spot in a sea of roughly 200 billion stars. But even on the darkest night with the clearest sky, our human eyes can only actually see about 3,000 of them, and at any given moment. So we can wonder, how big is the universe? Bigger than we think, bigger than we can even imagine. We can easily see the moon when we look up into the sky. It's only about 250,000 miles away. We can also see the sun. It looks as if it is about the same size of the moon, but really it's just a lot farther away. 93 million miles. It's so far away that it takes sunlight over 8 minutes to reach the Earth. Now, how big is the sun? About 1 million Earths would fit inside it. If the Earth were the size of a coin, the sun would be as big as a 9-foot beach ball. The sun has to be the biggest thing in the universe, doesn't it? Well, no. Have you ever looked up to see the constellation Orion, the hunter in the sky? Betelgeuse, the bright star on Orion's top left shoulder, is so big that if it was the star in our solar system instead of the sun, it would have fit into the big circle the Earth makes when it circles the sun from 93 million miles away. But the largest known star is called Canis Majoris. It's so big that if Earth was the size of a coin, and if our sun was a 9-foot beach ball, Canis Majoris would be about 2.5 miles wide. And if the Earth was the size of a coin, and the sun as large as a 9-foot ball, how far away would the sun be? About the length of a football field. In fact, if our entire solar system, the sun and all the planets, was the size of a coin, the sun would be visible only under a microscope, and the nearest star would be 300 feet away. If you could travel at the speed of light, that's 186,000 miles per second, it would still take 100,000 years just to travel across our galaxy. If our solar system and our galaxy are so big and interesting, imagine how big is the rest of the universe.